Last one from me. Given what you just said about hoping you can do things better, is that where experience of this level of rugby is going to come handy?
Yeah, I mean the team has been there. A lot of the players has been in the semi-finals and knockouts before, and obviously it's nice to have somebody like Andre Pollard who's been there at the highest level as well. And but ultimately, I think, Jan, it's going to be a game of inches and small momentums, and hopefully we can be on the right side. You know, it's again, we mustn't put added pressure on us. It's still a great privilege to play. Like I said, in the semi-final, and we must just still make sure we enjoy this moment and take the challenge in